Some local students are afraid to go back to school after a student was arrested for threatening to shoot several classmates. Hannah Kim has more from that school in Tumwater, where it all happened.
Police say the 14-year-old boy told them that he felt left out, excluded at Black Hills High School. When police arrested him yesterday morning at his home, they found 3 firearms and ammunition. Brittany Roskup says she's friends with the 14-year-old boy now locked up in juvenile detention.
He always trying to look out for people. He did keep to himself a lot, but for the most part, he did have good friends.
She says it's hard to believe her friend is accused of threatening to shoot several students, then kill himself.
None of this I would have expected from him. It was all kind of just a giant shock.
Police say it was a friend and fellow student who tipped them off about the threats.
I would have done the same thing. If that was one of my friends, I would have done the same exact thing.
That's an outstanding student. I mean, that's an outstanding person.
Black Hills High School sent emails to parents alerting them of the scare. Tonight, many believe the school did the right thing by expelling the 14-year-old right away.
With the things that have happened, it's not a joke. These are our babies.
Last week's shooting at a Colorado high school is still fresh in local parents' minds, which is why many are worried about threats here.
What he could have done would have been horrific. I just don't understand what's going on anymore.
Fortunately, no one was hurt, but for some, there is still a psychological impact.
People are actually freaking out and saying, I don't want to come to school, I want to transfer.
Paul Roskup says he's not afraid to send his daughter back to school as long as the troubled teen continues to get help.
I hope this kid gets the help that he needs, you know, I mean, and it could take a while.
The Tumwater School District says they will be seeking more money to tighten security at their schools. Right now, Black Hills High School does lock their doors. They do have a school resource officer keeping an eye out. Meanwhile, the Thurston County Prosecutor's Office says they will be definitely filing charges in this case, including felony harassment. In Tumwater, Hannah Kim, Q13 Fox News.